What if there was a way that you could learn how to bundle better, how to sell more product, how to create better communication and relationships, not only with your hostesses, but with your customers?
I'm here to tell you that if you're looking to save money, if you're looking to pay off debt, your business is one of the best vehicles in order to make that happen.
Hi ladies, my name is Brian Parsley, and if you don't know me yet, you probably should. I'm only kidding.
It's Brad Nelson with Balance Sense Financial Coaching and creator of Roots Personal Finance, which has helped consultants save and pay off millions of dollars. And I gotta tell you, I'm super excited to be invited on the tour for Partners in Business.
Partners in Business training. And here's why. I'm gonna talk about two things that could potentially change your life. You know, if you think about it, we all struggle with uncertainty. We all struggle with putting labels on ourselves and pressure to be the best at what it is that we do.
On top of that, many of you are probably going to be bringing some partners with you. And here we are going to talk about a more proactive approach to talking about money and personal finance.
See, over 20 years, I've been traveling the world speaking on how to optimize sales and customer loyalty with not just organizations, but some of the top professionals in the industry. And I want to transfer that same knowledge to you at that training.
I know in the past for me, money has been a very sore subject in many cases, and I can tell you that we're going to provide you a lot of tools that are going to help you overcome a lot of those challenges in your relationship and get you on the path to success.
I look forward to seeing you in your city.
Your spouse, mom, best friend, fellow consultant. They're your pure romance cheerleader, that person who believes in you and your business no matter what. Even if they don't realize it yet, they're a partner in your business. Now, Pure Romance wants to make it official. Introducing the 2019 Partners in Business Tour, a brand new hands-on training coming your way in spring 2019. Designed to empower you and your partner in business to set goals, plan for the future, learn more about Pure Romance, and set your sights on incredible success together. Learn from some of the best in the business, including some of the top consultants, professional speakers, and financial pros. Registration is just $20 for consultants and totally free for your partner in business. To find a tour stop near you and register today, visit the Pure Romance event site